Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview A200 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and tap on display. Now let's scroll down until we will find this option, automatic screen off. Let's tap on it, and here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top, relatively short options, and at the bottom, the longest time option, which is 30 minutes, and the option never, which means that your device will never automatically black out. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I'll choose 10 minutes. As you can see, it is immediately marked, and after getting back, you can see that it is also notified right here, which means that from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.